Imagine this, you wake up tomorrow and in just 15 minutes you make real progress in your English. Not just studying grammar, not just memorizing words. I'm talking about speaking more naturally, understanding native speakers better, and feeling more confident, all before you even finish your morning coffee. Here's the truth. Most learners think they need hours every day to improve their English. But life is busy. You have work, family, school. So, English practice gets pushed to later. And later often means never. The good news? You don't need hours. You need a smart routine that trains your ears, your mouth, and your brain, all at the same time. In this lesson, I'm going to give you my 15-minute English routine. It's simple, effective, and designed for A1, A2 learners who want to sound more natural. You can do it every day, at home, on the bus, during lunch break, even while walking. Here's how we'll do it. You'll learn 10 powerful tips, each part of the 15-minute routine. You'll get real-life English, not boring textbook sentences. We'll do slow listening and shadowing practice together. You'll learn how to make your mouth and ears think in English. Every tip includes a clear explanation, real-life examples, slow and fast versions, shadowing prompts, repeat with me, pronunciation and emotion tips. A small real-life challenge for today. By the end of this video, you'll have a daily plan you can follow for the rest of your life to keep improving your English without stress. Before we start, make sure you subscribe and turn on the bell so you don't miss my future lessons. And if you want me to create more quick daily English routines like this, leave a comment below saying, "I'm ready for my 15 minutes." Alright, let's start your new routine. Tip 1. Warm up your mouth with easy phrases. One of the biggest reasons learners freeze when speaking English is because their mouth is not ready. Just like you wouldn't run a race without stretching, you shouldn't start speaking English without warming up your mouth muscles. The trick: start with 2-3 super easy phrases you can say confidently. Example: Good morning. How are you today? It's a beautiful day. I'm ready to start. These are short, friendly, and use common sounds. They wake up your speaking muscles and get you into English mode. Slow version, repeat after me. Good morning, how are you today? It's a beautiful day. I'm ready to start. Normal version, good morning, how are you today? It's a beautiful day. I'm ready to start. Shadowing prompt, repeat with me 3 times, first slowly, then naturally. Say it again like you're smiling. Yes, your voice changes when you smile. Pronunciation tip, open your mouth more than in your native language. English sounds clearer when your mouth moves. Today's challenge: tomorrow morning, before checking your phone, say all 3 phrases out loud. No whispering. Let your brain hear your own English first thing in the day. Tip 2. Listen first, then speak. Many learners try to speak without listening first. But listening is like charging your phone before using it. You need to charge your brain with natural English sounds. Spend 2 minutes listening to a short clip, maybe a podcast, YouTube video, or even this lesson. Don't read, just listen. Example sources: weather report, a cooking recipe video, this lesson's introduction. Slow listening practice. Play the clip at 0.75 speed, focus on hearing every word. Normal speed, play it again at normal speed without stopping. Shadowing prompt. After the second listen, repeat 1 or 2 sentences exactly as you heard them. Same tone, same rhythm. Example sentences: it's going to be sunny today. Mix the sugar and butter until smooth. Pronunciation tip: copy the music of the sentence, not just the words. English has a rhythm. Today's challenge: pick any short video in English today. Listen first, then say one sentence exactly like the speaker. Tip 3. Learn and use a magic sentence of the day. A magic sentence is a short, powerful phrase that works in many situations. Learning one every day adds variety to your speaking and keeps your mind fresh. Example magic sentences: that sounds great. I didn't catch that. Could you say it again? I'm not sure, but I think. Why this works: you stop freezing in conversations because you already have something natural to say. Slow version, repeat after me. That sounds great. I didn't catch that. Could you say it again? I'm not sure, but I think. Normal version, that sounds great. I didn't catch that. Could you say it again? I'm not sure, but I think. Shadowing prompt. Listen to me say it, then repeat with me 2 times, and finally say it alone with your own confidence. Pronunciation tip. 4. That sounds great. Connect sounds and great, so it's sounds great with no pause. Today's challenge: choose one of today's sentences and use it at least once in a conversation, message, or comment. Tip 4. Describe one thing around you. Spend 2 minutes looking around your room, office, or street. Pick one object and describe it in simple English. Example: this is my coffee cup. It's white and a little old. I use it every morning. I see a red car outside. It's small but very fast. Slow version: this is a coffee cup. It's white and a little old. I use it every morning. Normal version: this is my coffee cup. It's white and a little old. I use it every morning. Shadowing prompt. Repeat after me slowly, then naturally. Smile when you say it. It helps your tone sound friendly. Pronunciation tip. Practice linking words. Coffee cup sounds like coffee cup. Today's challenge: describe one object out loud to yourself today. If you can, send a voice note to a friend in English describing it. Tip 5. Ask yourself one easy question. Questions are conversation starters. Asking yourself one question a day builds thinking speed in English. Examples: what did I eat for breakfast? What is the weather like today? What do I want to do this weekend? Slow version: what did I eat for breakfast? What is the weather like today? Normal version: what did I eat for breakfast? What is the weather like today? Shadowing prompt. Say the question after me slowly, then quickly. Then answer it in one sentence. Pronunciation tip. 4. What do I? Connect sounds. What do I? Today's challenge: ask yourself one question today and answer it out loud in English. Tip 6. Repeat a native speaker's line. Pick one line from a movie, TV show, or YouTube video. Copy it exactly. Tone, rhythm, emotion. Examples: from a movie, I'll be right there. From a show, you've gotta be kidding me. Slow version, I'll be right there. You've got to be kidding me. Normal version, I'll be right there. You've got to be kidding me. Shadowing prompt. Repeat 3 times, first slow, then normal, then with emotion. Pronunciation tip. Pay attention to emotion. English meaning changes with tone. Today's challenge. Record yourself saying the line. Compare it to the original. Tip 7. Practice a 3-word story. In 2 minutes, make a story using only 3 words at a time. This forces you to think fast and keep it simple. Example. I woke up. It was sunny. I made coffee. Slow version. I woke up. It was sunny. I made coffee. Normal version. I woke up. It was sunny. I made coffee. Shadowing prompt. Repeat each short sentence after me, then tell your own 3-sentence story. Pronunciation tip. Keep your sentences short but clear. Don't rush. Today's challenge. Make a 3-sentence story about your day and say it out loud. Tip 8. Use an emotion sentence. Expressing feelings makes your English more natural. Learn 1 emotion sentence and practice it. Examples. I'm so happy today. I feel a bit tired. I'm excited for tomorrow. Slow version. I'm so happy today. I feel a bit tired. Normal version. I'm so happy today. I feel a bit tired. Shadowing prompt. Repeat with me slowly, then naturally. Say it like you really feel it. Pronunciation tip. Stretch the emotion word so happy to make it sound real. Today's challenge. Use your emotion sentence in real conversation or a social media post. Tip 9. End with a closing phrase. Always end your 15 minutes by saying a short phrase to close your practice. This tells your brain, I did my English today. Examples. Great job today. I'm improving every day. That was fun. Slow version. Great job today. I'm improving every day. Normal version. Great job today. I'm improving every day. Shadowing prompt. Repeat 3 times with a big smile. Pronunciation tip. Smile when you say positive phrases. It changes your voice. Today's challenge. Always end with your closing phrase after each practice. Tip 10. Track your progress. Spend the last 1 minute writing down what you practiced today. This creates motivation and proof that you're improving. Example journal entry. Today I learned. That sounds great. I used it when talking to my friend. I also described my coffee cup. Slow version. Today I learned. Normal version. Today I learned. Shadowing prompt. Say your journal sentence aloud as you write it. Pronunciation tip. Speaking while writing reinforces memory. Today's challenge. Start a small notebook just for this 15-minute routine. Conclusion. And there you have it. Your 15-minute English routine that actually works. You don't need to wait for the perfect day, the perfect mood, or a 2-hour study session. Just 15 focused minutes can transform your fluency over time. Let's quickly review. 1. Warm up your mouth. 2. Listen before speaking. 3. Learn a magic sentence. Describe one object. 5. Ask yourself a question. 6. Copy a native speaker's line. 7. Tell a 3-word story. 8. Use an emotion sentence. 9. End with a closing phrase. Track your progress. Do this routine every day for 1 week and you'll notice a big difference. You'll speak faster, think in English more, and feel more confident. I want to hear from you. Comment below and tell me which tip you'll try first. If you found this lesson helpful, subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss a lesson. And remember, small steps every day lead to big results in the future. Keep going. You've got this.